Welcome to How to Play Black Maria. To play, you will need a 52 card deck and 3 players. The 2 of clubs is removed from the deck. Each player is dealt 17 cards, 1 card at a time. This will result in all the cards being dealt out. Black Maria is a trick-taking card game. A trick is created by each player playing a card into the middle. The player with the highest ranking card in the lead suit wins the trick. The cards are ranked with the aces being the highest down to the 2s being the lowest. The object of the game is to avoid scoring points. Points are scored by taking certain cards in tricks. Each heart-suited card taken is worth 1 point. Taking the ace of spades is worth 7 points. Taking the king of spades is 10 points. And taking the queen of spades is 13 points. Going back to the hands that were dealt earlier, I have flipped up each player's cards for you to see. In an actual game, you will keep your cards hidden from the other players. Each round starts with a card pass. Players will choose 3 cards to pass to the player on their right. The gameplay begins with the player left of the dealer leading the first card to the first trick. Nellie can lead any card and chooses to play the ace of clubs. Play moves left to Lydia, who must play a card in the same suit that was led if possible. Lydia follows suit with the 8 of clubs. Play moves to Rose, who follows suit with the jack of clubs. Nellie wins this trick with the highest ranking card in the lead suit. The player that took the trick leads to the next trick. Nellie leads the next trick with the 7 of spades. Players will continue to play 2 tricks until all cards have been played. After all the cards have been played, the players will score points for the point cards taken during the round. Rose took the ace of spades and 6 hearts for a total of 13 points. Nellie took the queen of spades and a heart for 14 points. Lydia took the king of spades and 6 hearts for 16 points. The player with the lowest score after an agreed upon amount of rounds, such as 9 rounds, wins the game. A player must follow the lead suit whenever possible. If a player cannot follow the lead suit, they can play any card. The trick is won by the highest ranking card in the lead suit. If you enjoyed learning how to play Black Maria and you are curious about other games, our channel is your go-to spot for fun, easy to follow tutorials. Check out the collection of videos to find your next favorite game.